Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will clear either these items will be included in the calculation of national income or not. So do subscribe my channel to see more videos related to national income. So let us take a quick practice. First item, number 1, broker's commission on the sale and purchase of second hand goods. That will be included in the calculation of national income. Why it is included? Because it is factor income. Let us write down the reasons also. Because the question carries 6 marks. Any 4 options will be there in 6 marks question. Each option carries 1.5 marks. Half marks for just to mention either the statement will be included or not included, tick mark or cross, and 1 marks will be for the reason. We have to give reasons, appropriate reasons also. Number 2, payment of bonus contribution to provident fund by the employer, free uniform given to employer, or house rent. It will be a part of national income, will be included in national income because these are a form of wages and salaries in cash plus in kind. Number 3, free services, dispensaries or government expenditure on street light, water supply or public places. Either this will be a part of national income or not. It will be a part of national income because this is government final consumption expenditure. So all these items are related to the different methods of calculation of national income. Fourth option, expenditure like purchase of raw material by a firm or groceries purchased by a restaurant or cold drink purchased by a restaurant, milk purchased by a dairy shop. These will not be included in the calculation of national income because these all are intermediate goods, and intermediate goods will not be included in the calculation of national income. Fifth option, profits earned by an Indian company, its branch abroad. It will be a part of national income because this is net factor income from abroad. Rather, it will not be a part of domestic income because company is situated outside the domestic territory of India, but it will be a part of national income. Expenditure on advertisement by a firm, it will not be included because this is a form of intermediate consumption. Advertisements are allied to sell the product. These are not directly consumed. Then royalty interest received by household from a bank. It will be included in the calculation of national income because these are a part of operating surplus or compensation of employees. Then value of machine purchased by a factory, it would be included in national income. What are the reasons? Because this is gross investment done by the factory. Ninth, financial help given to recover from a capital loss from earthquake and any other natural calamities. It will not be a part of national income because this is transfer payment, unilateral payment, because government is just helping the people. They are not contributing any type to, because this is not a part of factor income. Then entertainment tax received by the government, this will not be included in the calculation of national income because these are transfer transactions या transfer payment. These are unilateral payment. Transfer transactions means unilateral payment, one-sided payment. Then subsidies on wheat production, it will also not be included. These are also transfer payments. Then dividend received by a foreigner from investment in share of an Indian company, this will not be included because this is net factor income to abroad. Then compensation given by insurance company to an injured person, it will not be a part of national income because compensation is given by, compensation is not given by employer. This is third party compensation, and third party compensation will not be a part of national income. Then contribution to provident fund by the employees, that will not be included because only employers contribution is included. So in this way we can give reasons, appropriate reasons for the statement to give either the item will be included in national income or not. So do subscribe the channel to see more such type of typical questions related to national income. Thank you.